This mom kept hearing creepy sounds coming from her dryer vent until she knew something was seriously wrong. So she pulled the whole pipe outside and called her neighbor to help find out what was hiding inside. But it wasn't easy. Whatever was in there kept gripping on, almost like it knew how to stay unseen. They tried everything and it still wouldn't come out until she finally made one move that gave it no chance to escape. And when it finally came out, it was something no one expected. I'll show you. But first, how many years would you want your mom to live? 24 hours? Ignore. 100 years? Leave a like. 1,000. Drop a heart emoji. 10,000. Subscribe and share. Forever? Do everything. Now watch closely.